Developing a natural spring is a great way to access clean water on your property. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of developing a spring with a Springbox, ensuring your water supply is safe and reliable. Begin by identifying a seepage spring, typically indicated by damp or marshy ground. Use a shovel to test various spots to find the source. Look for areas where water naturally accumulates or where vegetation is particularly lush. Once you've identified the spring, carefully excavate the area. Dig down until you hit the water source. As you dig, take care to remove roots and rocks that might disrupt the flow. Digging too quickly could cause the spring to muddy, so proceed slowly and steadily. Building a cutoff wall is crucial to prevent surface water and debris from contaminating your spring. Use materials like concrete blocks or compacted clay. This barrier will help direct unwanted water away from the spring and keep your water clean. Place your spring box at the point where the water emerges. This box will collect the water and keep out contaminants. Before setting the box, install a layer of gravel at the bottom to aid in natural filtration. Ensure the box is securely anchored and that the lid fits tightly to keep out debris. Surround the spring box with a substantial layer of gravel to filter out any impurities from the water before it enters the box. This gravel layer should be thick enough to prevent soil or sediment from getting through. Cover this gravel with a layer of sand and dirt to stabilize the area and promote natural filtration. Install a pipeline from the spring box to a storage tank. Ensure the pipe is positioned correctly to use gravity for a natural flow. The tank should be appropriately sized to store enough water for your needs and be placed at a higher elevation than where the water will be used. After everything is in place, run a series of tests to ensure water flows freely from the spring box to the storage tank without leaks or blockages. Monitor the water quality and make necessary adjustments to the gravel or spring box positioning. Regular maintenance is key to ensuring a long-lasting water supply. Check the spring and spring box for any signs of erosion, leaks, or contamination. Keep the area clean and clear of debris, and periodically replace or clean the gravel and filtration materials to maintain water quality. Developing a spring with a spring box is an excellent way to secure a natural water source on your property. Follow these steps carefully and always monitor the water quality to ensure a safe and reliable supply. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical prepping tips.